all I had to do was show Jeff a picture of Hannah, and he was in. That's all the matchmaking I did. Hannah's dance moves did the rest.
Jeff. My best friend. My roommate. A quarterback.
I love this woman!
Yours, here right now. The kind of night we dream about. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. It's beautiful. Yeah. Time flies when you get it right. So hold on tight to me. Love like we never grew up, and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
Who's going first?
I'll go first. Jeff, I'm so thankful for the way our story has been written, even the 2 canceled weddings, because I don't think we'd be where we are today if it had happened any other way. I knew early into our relationship I needed you in my life, and standing here before her family and friends, I can finally admit I was the first one to say I love you just 16 days after you asked me to be your girlfriend. I had been telling people for 2 months he was my boyfriend.
Love like we never grew up, and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
Nanner. Since the day I met you, my life has gradually gotten better and better. And I believe that is solely because of you. And Sammy.
I don't know what the future holds for us, but I know that together we can overcome anything. I've done a lot of things in my life that I'm proud of, but none of them come as close to how proud I am to become your wife. As a wise man once said, the Mountain House was actually Plan C, the church was Plan B, and Plan A was marrying you a long, long time ago.
Yeah,
pretty much
good
the day
reference.
I met you.
Good reference. Nice.
I love you.
I love you too. My promise to you is to always support you, to always have your back no matter what, to always love you and our family 100%, and to always try to not put my dirty coffee cups on the clean rack. I love you so much, and I'm so excited to have you as my partner to journey through life.
Would you like Fisher Fry?
Yeah.
My 2 favorite roomies, my first favorite friend and my 5th, I love you. I love you both, and I'm so happy that you found each other.
What more can I say, man? You've been my homie since day one, and it is an absolute honor to stand up here as your best man. I love you both, and I wish you continued success, personal fulfillment, and most importantly, love and contentment. And I would like to make a quick toast. Jeff, may your children get your calves and Hannah's hairline. Salute!
Because when he married my mom, I'm in my 20s, and he looked at my sister, my brother, and I, and he goes, "We have no tags in our family. You are my son, and I love you. Jeff, you are my son. I love you." You've been a blessing, an absolute blessing as a daughter. I've never met anybody quite like you. You're a remarkable lady, and I'm so happy that you're happy. You're radiant, you're beautiful. We love you, to both of you. Yeah.